Expectation ups and down, entering this mini league as underdogs. They went to Cape Town and stole the prize.
Creating that stronghold at the back, but more importantly, it's Menzi who always create those scoring opportunities and getting into the final third. In a 4-3-3 formation, you look at the likes of Mchali and Matima.
For Mr. Castur to get us going, it's Magesi that kick us off in this encounter, wearing white with the touch of blue. They'll be attacking the goal from the right-hand side of your picture.
To get that maximum 3 points.
The Kakai lines it up on the wing and it's cleared away by Mahocha, still alive. Matima does the clean-up job defensively. One of the two subs made by coach have not been able to win away from home. Only 6 points that they've collected away from home. Skomoshe looking to rip one into the box. Get one in! Well, needed Lefano Mukoni to clean up defensively. Truly as well as Tlede, who are the sole survivors. Lutuli, it's going to be very quite key, Lutuli, in this encounter. Up front in making sure that the defense and do going forwards. They come out on the break now, looking good. Skomoshe looking to try and feed it to Nzabi. They look dangerous. Nzabi lines it up, plays it behind Kakayo. Clearly desperate to keep it alive. Finds Kakayo. Clearly looking to curl it to the far post. He should have buried it.
What an opportunity from Skomoshe. Look at the amount of space that Nzambe has. Why don't he go straight into goals, but shifting the responsibility to Zikakai, who fell. As for Kili, it was out of direction, but this pass, this is a delicate pass by Fana. Zambi, one touch, straight, he's in front of Chipezeze. He didn't even know exactly where he was, and then shifting that responsibility, it was only for Kili to improvise at that point in time, which Magesi has already recovered.
Well, apologizes almost immediately. Kapo, of course, was part of the team that won the Mazepa Foundation Championship in 23-24. Gets a fist to it, doesn't care. And Mufukeng can punish. Only a single goal to his name this season, but just couldn't punish.
Indeed, with Keza at no man's land, punching just look. You could see there, it was more of a defender's finish.
A little bit uncomfortable. Vandala now on the other side, delivers one in. It's easy peekings though for Keza. Plenty in clean space to operate. Mtinyana as well as Mduli had closed them down. Kapo, Vandala. Lituli turns and just couldn't. Just as they are about to pull the trigger, was dispossessed. Still the pressure is maintained by Magesi. John Mukoni, protection from Bengu. Mukoni recovers the ball off the face of goal and couldn't be kept down by Vandala.
Mukoni wanting to get up front, with Bengu being resilient and eventually winning the ball. Look at Vandala, not even sure whether the ball was going to. That bounce, it was enough to put him off. Had he anticipated that the ball would land there, he should have read the ball. You could see even Matima in disbelief, holding his head. But as for Vandala, a left footer, if he was ready and anticipated, could have been it.
Does well on the far side now. Whips right in. Too close for Chipezeze. Tested there. Came out tops is the former Zimbabwean international. Thought there was a free kick. No, clean play. It's now turning a transition for Magesi. Counter for Magesi. What can they do? Vandala is not able to find a way past there. Rapatu, Lutuli. No, brought down a little bit too soft. Referee Castur.
Get the 4-5 white shirts that was there just earlier on with Njoli that hit the crossbar, and eventually tried to zoom in. Chipezeze, well aware presence of mind from the captain, making sure that he's able to drive that. Njoli
David being the only red shirt that he could find, but couldn't. Vandala on the other side, looking to just give it an end-to-end start. Rapadu, keeper does well. Spama Kafesa. Give us power, give us hope. And that save does exactly that for Milford.
Wow, what a pass from Vanda. Look at that first touch from Rapado. But the presence of mind and that strong right foot hand was enough. But this, Bafana, very, very promising from Rapado. And eventually, he wanted to win straight. Had he looked up, he could have split it. But look, take nothing away from the save. This is $1 million save from Magesi. That's
really ball to find Keely. Two running behind him. Can he find one? Close down quickly, making sure they really. What can he do later on? Milford searching for a way forward, looking to try and draw first blood in this encounter. Whoop it in! Flicked on by Zabi. Wouldn't have counted, wasn't enough. Easy to beat, so it will be quite interesting. Zabi on a turn, tame strike. It's a low shot, easy into the bucket hands of Cheese Day. Whipped into the box, easy catch for the pressure. Milford take full charge of that ball. Clearly fits it through to Zabi, brought down in the edge of the 18 area. Free kick in a very good area. The corner I'm going is just fresh from collecting a yellow. He's the man. Be wise men to cause problems and find cracks in that six-man wall. Skomoshe, and clearly to test them, left or right. Who will take it? Skomoshe, and that's the four that does well. No crack in the wall, but still alive though for Milford. Free kick. Foul. No. Kakayo, can he bury them? No, keeps the ball, does the Kakayo, looks for Skomoshe. Shot is deflected, the sting taken off by Matima. Two players for Magesi down, Matima being one of them and Mufuke in the other. A little bit deeper. Betuli looks to try and create a little bit of space now. Good opportunity! Straight at the keeper. Two key saves pulled by Feza. That keeps the side in. The latest coming from the strike of Mashiko.
drawing out away from there. And with Mashiko coming in solid, wanting to unpack that powerful shot.
Is the idea. Skomoshe going straight for goal. Chipezeze. Best moment of the game from Chipezeze.
The technique, beautiful, elevating over the wall, but it was that Chipezeze's right hand, very strong.
Fully waiting, Tiani picks up. Gabi, Njuli, there's a red ball, Jerseys in the box. Into the front of the box again! Come at the man! Super sub! He breaks the window, he breaks the deadlock, and smashes on the 3 points! Surely, they can see it! And the light is brightly on at the end of the tunnel! Such is the weight of this goal.
Beautiful cross played by Njoli. It was for Kanyisani Khadere to slot home. Resolute defending, but that blazing shot just crossed off the surface. Look at how he was anticipating the shot with the left foot. It just tipped off the supposed to be Chipezeze to send the crowd wild to say, we are live on SS4, we believe. And that's the Stallions to say, it's not yet over until the Fat Lady sings.
Kanyisani, give us hope. Switch the lights on, and tribulation in the stands as it's done and dusted. It's the home.